If you have value for money, you need to listen to this. When it comes to building or renovating a house, it is easy to overspend, especially if you are buying materials like furnitures and fittings yourself. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here is a simple tip. Before you rush into buying anything, make sure to get quotes from at least three different places. That way, you can compare prices and make sure you're getting the best deal. It's all about saving money without sacrificing quality. Are you ready to make your home dreams come true without breaking the bank? Let's do this.